Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dua and our experiment is differentiate between short chain fatty acids and long chain fatty acids. And my topic is properties of fatty acids. So we discuss the properties of fatty acids. There are two properties of fatty acids. One is physical property and other is chemical property. First we discuss the physical property of fatty acids. Saturated fatty acids are those fatty acids which do not contain double bond. They are solid at room temperature. Most common examples of saturated fatty acids are stearic acid and palmitic acid. Unsaturated fatty acids are those fatty acids which contain double bond. They are liquid at room temperature. Most common examples of unsaturated fatty acids is vegetable oil and other are linolic acid, alpha linolic acid and arachidonic acid. Fatty acids are soluble in organic substances such as benzene and chloroform ether. Organic substances are those substances which contain carbon and hydrogen bond, but they are insoluble in water. Unsaturated fatty acids show cis and trans isomers because due to presence of double bond, but saturated fatty acids did not show the cis and trans isomers. Cis isomers are those isomers which contain same atom or group of an atom on same side. Trans isomers are those isomers which contain same atom or group of atom on opposite side. This is the major difference between cis and trans isomers. The solubility of fatty acid is equal to the normal pH of the body, which is 4.8. Solubility means or ability to dissolve the substances, especially in water. So its mean fatty acids are dissolved in pH which is equals to the body. Fatty acids are bad conductor of heat. It means they do not conduct heat. The melting point of saturated and unsaturated fatty acids are different and its melting point depend upon the chain of the carbon atom. Melting point of saturated fatty acids increase the change of carbon. For example, butyric acid which contain 4 carbon atom in their structure and its melting point is 8 degrees centigrade. Palmitic acid which contains 16 carbon in their structure and it contains 62 degree centigrade. Melting point of unsaturated fatty acids increase with decrease the chain of carbon atom. 14 degree centigrade linolic acid which contain one double bond and alpha linolic acid contain minus 5 degree centigrade which contain two double bond. This is the physical properties of fatty acids. So other we discuss the chemical properties of fatty acids. First we discuss hydrolysis. So we know about that hydrolysis means molecules of water break one or more chemical bond when fat react with alkali in the presence of enzymes lipase to give glycerol and the constitute of fatty acids. In general way, if we hydrolyze alkali such as NaOH and KOH to produce sodium and potassium salts of fatty acids. The other is hydrogenolysis. Hydrogenolysis means large compound break up into a small compound in the presence of hydrogen. It's mean that when excess hydrogen is passed through the oil and fat in the presence of copper and chromium catalyst, it convert into glycerol and long chain aliphatic alcohol. Aliphatic alcohol means organic compound in which carbon contain from open chain and they do not contain a ring structure. Rancidity. Rancidity means complete and incomplete oxidation or hydrolysis of fat in the presence of air, light, moisture and bacterial activities. The air, light, moisture and bacterial activities react as a catalyst. So, it forms the unpleasant taste and odor. Such oil or fat known as rancid oil or fat. The other is halogenation. Halogenation means when unsaturated fatty acids react with halogen. This process is called the halogenation. In general way, do you know that when unsaturated fatty acids react with halogen, such as iodine and chlorine, at their double bond side, iodine are present, and this process only used in unsaturated fatty acids. It does not occur in saturated fatty acids. This process is used to determine the percentage of iodine absorbed by the fats. It's mean that इससे हम ये मालूम कर सकते हैं कि फैटी एसिड्स ने कितने परसेंटेज आयोडीन को अपने अंदर एब्जॉर्ब किया है. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.